Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. Asif has 200 beads. Asif gives 1/4 of the beads to Bernadette, 2/5 of the beads to Claudio, 43 beads to Derek. What fraction of the 200 beads does Asif have left? So we see here 1/4 times 200 is simply 50. And 2/5 times 20, we can cancel this out. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 40 times 2, that is 80. So now that we know how many beads he gave away, we can subtract that from 200 and divide it by the total to find the fraction of what Asif has left. So we can write here 200, he gave away 50, gave away 80, and gave away 43. Then to find the fraction of the 200 beads, that means we have to divide by 200 again. So we can see here that 200 minus 50 minus 80 minus 43, that is about 27 over 200. So that is our final answer, 27 over 200. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.